Welcome to Jay's Daily Pre-Market Briefing for February 21st, 2018. We'll start off with the Nasdaq. Looking at the Nasdaq, we did get above the 66.57 or 65.67 area rather. And so we did come up all the way up and through the 67.30 to 67.48 zone. And we tagged that 57.50, and now yesterday we came back into the 67.30 quarter to 67.48 quarter, and so it looks to me like we're going to continue up now. The key will be that zone 57.50 on a retest, as well as 69.05 quarter. If we can get through there, then the 7,000s are in play. For the downside, if we're going to continue back down, we really need to get through that 67.30 quarter zone on the Nasdaq. Oil, similar story. We've come into this key zone on oil, 62.10 to 62.92. That's where we broke through previously, and where we when we retested it, the market went all the way down into the 58s. And so this is the key. If we stay below 62.10, then I'd expect a retest of at least that 59.41. However, if we get back above 62.92, we should probably be going all the way up to the 65s, and if not even further, back up to test the 66.81 and 67.32 on crude oil. Moving along to the euro futures, we did get a very nice bounce off the 122.48 area. And we've come into the secondary area this 123.365. This could be a point where we launch up to higher to test this kind of double top that was formed around 125.50. If we get through there, then I think 126 is definitely in play. Beyond 126.15, I think we'll go all the way up to the 127s. However, if we do get back below the 122.48, I'd look for another retest of the 120 area, so that 119.785, and possibly even lower down to the 118 level on the euro future. Gold, we thought it was going to test the double top. It didn't. It came pretty close, and we've backed off pretty hard. So the key area is going to be this 13.15 to 13.10 area. That's what I'd be watching on gold. If we get below that, we'll probably get a move back down to the 12.78 area. However, if this 13.15 to 13.10 area holds, then I think we'll break the double top and at least get to 13.81.1, if not all the way up to the 14. Let me pull it in there. The 1406.7 area on gold. Finally, moving along to Bitcoin, we got through this key area around 9,000 here, 95.65, and right here 91.61.5. We got through that area, and we didn't quite make it to the bottom of the next zone on Bitcoin, 12.250 to 13.495. The key on this is going to be what happens when we come up there. If we do actually come up and test this 250 to 495 zone, if we do, maybe we'll test the 95.65, or if we've actually made the turn, that's going to be the key, is the 95.65. So we could be stuck in between these two zones for now, and then if we get a break either way, it's going to be a significant move. I'm still betting to the downside. However, if we do get through 13.49, 49.5, I think we'll at least test 17,000 again. But if this 12.250 to 13.495 holds, then we're probably looking at a retest of the 52.45 to 58.15 zone, and beyond that, more to the downside on Bitcoin. And since it's a short holiday week this week, TTI is having another trial on Thursday this week. So Thursday, 8 a.m. Eastern until 12 noon Eastern. You can watch Simon trade and talk about volume profile and his take on it. So check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. As always, trade well, control risk, and we'll see you in the next video.